This 2020 Newmar Ventana 3709 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Largo Decor, Newport Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, TV, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, slideout, air conditioning, self-contained, TV antenna, external shower, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2020 Newmar Ventana 3709 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.